Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G56, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will bring down your toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Next, look for the screen recorder, which should be visible somewhere. It might not be on the first page, so let's swipe to the left. And not on here as well. Oh, there we go, it's right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can just simply tap on it. First time around, it asks you if you want to record audio. So we have a system sound, microphone, system and mic, and mute. I'm gonna keep it at system sound. Then we can also add a front-facing camera to the screen recording, which will be a like a little circle that can move around. And next we have our touch points, which is just wherever your finger was touching the display while recording. It will be recorded as a semi-transparent gray dot. I'm gonna enable this just so you can see how it looks like. From there, click on record. We'll begin a 3-second countdown and then start recording with a notification. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded, though there is a limitation. Luckily, Motorola doesn't come with pre-installed garbage like most other manufacturers cram on their devices. So I'm just going to open up applications that will be recorded here, but I'm going to talk about it later. I think that's good enough. So from here, you can just click on the square. There we go. It gets saved, and now once it's saved, you can find your screen recording in your Photos application. Now, assuming no one changed the settings, it should be visible in here. I do want to point that out. That might not be the case. I might not be able to find it in here. But typically, you would be able to go to collections for certain and find an album called either screenshots or videos. Usually in both of them, you'll find it. Screenshots are apparently captured in It's not even a screen recording, so yeah, someone completely fucked things up in here, and yeah, it's as always unusable. Great. Now under videos, we've got again no video that I am looking for. So typically, when some dipshit at work isn't messing around with settings like this to basically completely screw up how the phone is managing the different photos, videos into the correct catalogs, you'd find your screen recording in the screenshots and videos folder at the very top. Today, they're timestamped, but for some damn reason, the video that I have just captured isn't today. So, in any case, what I can do is just pull notifications and just straight up bring it from the notification. This will be only a one-time thing that I can do though, but as a showcase, I can just click on here and you can watch the recording. Now, I was talking about things that you can't record, which the phone doesn't come with. So typically, subscription-based applications have this very obnoxious, intrusive thing where they decide to alter the way your device works and what it can do without your explicit permission. And those applications would be things like Spotify or Netflix. It's ironic that something like Spotify, which started itself as a company by piracy, it's very self-conscious about not having its content pirated. Even though no one logical would ever pirate music by screen recording it. So in any case, when it comes down to these kind of applications, you typically will be recording it up and you won't know that it's actually not being recorded. And when you go back to play it back, for instance, like the browser is here, what you would end up having is a straight black screen. Nothing visible on it, maybe outside of the status bar. So yeah. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.